In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Airbnb account. First of all, launch up an Airbnb application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Airbnb application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either create your account with your phone number or you can also continue with email, Facebook, Google or Apple. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option continue with email. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here what you have to do is enter your email address. Tap on the field of email. Now enter the email address that you would like to use in order to create the account. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to finish signing up. What you have to do is simply provide these details. What you have to do is enter your legal name. Make sure to enter the legal name that matches on your government ID. First of all, enter the first name. Now once you do that, enter the last name over here. Now also select the date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. After you do that, you'll be able to do so. First of all, select the month by scrolling down or up. Likewise, select the day. Likewise, select the year and tap on the option OK that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply create the password for yourself. Tap on the field of password. Now what you have to do is create a strong password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters. It must have at least one symbol or number. Now once you enter the password, tap on this option agree and continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is open the Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here Airbnb has sent me the email. Tap on the email. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the security code. Memorize this code or you can also copy it if you want. After you do that, go back to the Airbnb application. Now enter the verification code over here. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions of Airbnb. Simply tap on this option agree and continue that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Airbnb account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.